Good morning everyone, how are you doing today? I'm vlogging today. As you can see, I'm sorry if this beginning portion of the vlog is very low energy. It's very early in the morning. We've been trying to wake up earlier and earlier every day. Well, it's not as early as it was. It's now like almost 8, but we woke up at 5 this morning because my flight in 2 days, today is Saturday, my flight on Monday is, I have to be at the airport at 2 a.m. So I love that for me. So we're trying to like fix the sleep schedule a little bit, and we wake up earlier and earlier every day, so it's not as hard. But we're going to the cafe, and today is a very exciting day because we are going to Erice today. It's my first time ever going there. It's my last day, so we're going to a place really fun. It's gonna be me, Raph, and Salvo. So I'm crazy excited about it. It's like a legit medieval town. It's got a castle. It's got a lot of history to it. So we're gonna go there today and do a little road trip. I'm super excited about it. But yeah, let's take you to breakfast. I'll take you to breakfast. But yeah, we're just gonna film the whole thing today. These have become my favorite times of the day because it's really early. It's like 8, no one's out yet. But the sun's not even out yet, and it's only 78 degrees. Like, this is just lovely. But we're going to the cafe now. We got Valentina's car today. Well, we've had her car because she's not here, but we also got a rental car. I need to show you the rental car. I haven't done that yet. I'll do that here in a minute. Huh?
No, you didn't.
No, we have a lot of stuff to do today. We're going to eat, and then later on today I have to do a COVID test to go back to America, and then I have to fill out a form declaring that I've got a negative COVID test, and then we're going to Erice. So it's a very fun-filled day, and I'll show you whatever we eat. Wow, it's very overexposed. That's better. Okay, bye.
Painted a little daisy.
A little daisy?
Yeah.
Oh my god,
For you.
these are so cute. It's a little flower. Howdy. We're back home now. We've actually been home for a while. I am so tired. I cannot even explain to you. Like, I can't even think. I'm so tired. We're trying to figure out what to do for lunch, so we decided to get some paninis, some sandwiches. So that's exciting. And then guys, I don't even know how to vlog right now. I genuinely don't know how to vlog. I really do apologize for how energyless. Oh, there is something that I wanted to quickly show you because I'm super excited about it. So, a little backstory. A couple of vlogs ago, I mentioned that I had a job prospect. So I do think that I got the job. I'm super excited about it. I got a phone call yesterday. I spoke with one of the supervisors yesterday, and they said that they wanted to extend an offer to me and that I should be expecting the offer email within 3 days. So like by Wednesday, I should have it. So that's really good. I'm super excited I was able to secure this job. I don't technically have it yet because I have to accept the offer to actually get the job. But they did say that we want to extend an offer to you. So in my mind, that means that I'm hired. I just have to accept the offer. So I hope that's what it means, but I'm very excited about it. And to celebrate, I did get more dice. Okay, listen. I didn't get a whole set. I just got one. I got a chunk. I guess that's what people are calling them nowadays. They're just like big D20s. They're just like big ones. Like not this big. I'm over exaggerating, but they're like 28 millimeters. I don't know what that looks like. Maybe is it like this big? I genuinely have no idea. But I got this chunk from Cosmic Dice. I have it right here. And this is a Jester Lavore inspired chunk, and if you can tell, inside is a lollipop. When I saw this, I was like, I need it. I have to have it. It was my like congratulations for getting a job present to myself. So I got that. I'm very excited about it. So now I have Caleb dice, I have Molly Mock dice, I have Caduceus dice, and I have a Jester chunk. So I'm very excited. I just have to get forward, and I need to get like Knot / Veth. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do for that yet, but I hope you're all having a great day, and I'll let you know when something else interesting happens. All Alright, you guys, we are on the road now. I just finished my COVID test. Of course, I was negative, but man, I swear they shoved that Q-tip so far up your nose, I feel like they're gonna touch my brain. It's now 2. We were at the place since 12:30. My appointment was at 12:30, and I didn't get out of there until 2:30. So that's lovely, I love that for me. But Salvo couldn't come because he has to work later, and he was worried, you know, like from traffic, and you know, once we actually get there, because it's almost a 2-hour road trip to get there. So he couldn't come, but me and Raph are still going, and I'm very excited. And yeah, it's gonna be a very scenic route, and I'll show you along the way. Well, we have made it to we have made it to Trapani. Yeah. This is the next town over from Palermo, and we have to go through Trapani to get to Erice. And Erice is, you may be able to see it, I don't know, it's up there. Can you see that? Up on the very top of the mountain up there. It's up there. Oh, we're going uphill, and I'm scared. You guys, we have made it. It already looks amazing, but look at this. I've never seen clouds move this fast. Hopefully you can see this on camera. This is nuts. They're just going wee. This is crazy. But everything already looks super medieval.
Already.
It's like Whiterun. And
yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
They say this entrance is from the 12th century. 800 years ago. No, 900 years ago. I mean, if this is not D&D, I don't know what is. It's like
very
waiting for your guild master here.
No, and then 2 assassins jump out from.
For sure. Yeah,
this initiative.
Yeah, if we go forward, it's definitely.
It's very windy. We have dinner. We came up to this super cool, I mean, you've already seen it, but like, hello. And then we got some bruschetta, and this is pesto from Trapani. So we had this right here, like a little sample thing, and it was on it, and it was super good. So we ordered some more of these, but these look amazing. Alright, we're getting near the end of our trip, you guys, so we had to stop into this cafe and try one of the pistachio coffees. This looks amazing. So is it pistachio cream at the bottom?
Yeah.
And then you have your espresso on top. Oh my goodness. I want to get your reaction.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah?
Fantastic.
Can you give me a little spoon? Can I try from the spoon?
Oh, it's amazing.
Oh yeah. You like it?
It's amazing.